Hey guys, today I'm back with these red leopard print nails, and they're actually inspired by one of my favourite shirts. So if you want to know why I did these, keep watching. So I started off by stamping this leopard print pattern from my Moyu London Pro 03 plate. And then leaving that on the stamper, I just filled in those little circles with a light red polish. Once that was on the side drying, I painted my nails with this dark scarlet red. And then with a sponge and some top coat, I just let that absorb in and created a sticky base on my nail. And then I just stamped that leopard print straight on my nail. Just cleaning out the cuticles with acetone. And applied a smudge resistant top coat. And once that was dry, I applied a matte top coat. And this is Essie's Matte About You. It's my favourite matte top coat. And there you go, these leopard print nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.